Hi there. Mother's Day is almost here, and one of my favorite parts about Mother's Day is the homemade cards that I get from my boys. I have 3 sons, and they make the best cards. So I thought today we would make a card for your mom for Mother's Day. While we do this activity, we'll use the accent device with the Unity 84 sequence software. Today we're going to write an acrostic poem on our Mother's Day card. And an acrostic poem is where you take a word. So we're going to pick a word.
Pick a word. Pick a word.
Pick a word, and the word that we're going to use for our Mother's Day card is mother.
Mother.
And then you write the letters out. So we'll write out the letters.
Write the letters. Write the letters.
Write the letters down, and then for each letter in the word mother, we'll put a word or a phrase. So let's go ahead and pick a color for our card first. We need to pick a color.
Color. Pick a color.
I wonder, what color does your mom like?
What color does she like? What color does she like?
I think my mom likes pink. But let me show you. I have all these different colors. I have green and red and blue and yellow and pink. But really, I think my mom likes pink.
She likes pink. She likes pink.
So that's what I'll use. So I'm going to fold it. And you can either write mother on this side, or you could write mother on this side. Whichever way you think that would look better. I'm wondering what color.
What color? Marker. What color marker?
What color marker I want to use on this pink paper. I need something that's dark, so I'm going to go with this blue one. That'll show up nicely. Okay. First thing I need to do is I need to write each letter.
Write the letters.
So let's go ahead and spell mother so we figure out what letters we need. We're going to need an M.
M.
O.
O.
T.
T.
H.
H.
E.
E.
And finally, the R.
R.
Right, so we have M-O-T-H-E-R, and that gives us
Mother.
mother. So with an acrostic poem, we're going to put a word or a phrase for each letter of the word mother. And for the M, we're going to say makes me, and think something that mom does for you. She makes you smile, she makes you laugh. So we could say makes me smile.
Smile. Makes me smile.
Or she makes me laugh. Let's find it.
Laugh. Makes me laugh.
Or you might go in a different direction. You might say she makes me breakfast.
Makes me breakfast. Makes me breakfast.
Right? So I think I'm going to say, for my mom, makes me smile. I'm going to even put a little smiley face. So for my mom, she makes me smile.
Smile. Makes me smile.
All right. For the O, we're going to write, oh, how I love her, and then you'll fill in the blank. So let me write that out and then we'll think about what we could write. Oh, how I love her. Maybe you love a part of her, right? So you might say, oh, how I love
her.
her. I love her hair, right?
Hair. How I love her hair.
Or, oh, how I love her cooking, right? So let's say that whole thing this time. We'll say, oh, how I love her cooking.
Cooking. Oh, how I love her cooking.
My mom's a really good cook, so I think that's what I'm going to write. I love her cooking. I wonder what you're going to write there for what you love about her. T is going to be terrific. And then we'll figure out what we want to say she does so terrifically, right? So T is for terrific. That's a thumbs up word. Let's find it. Terrific.
Terrific.
Maybe your mom is a terrific. Maybe she's terrific at dancing, right?
At dancing. Terrific at dancing.
Or
Terrific at dancing.
maybe she's a terrific cook. I'm not going to use cook because I already used cooking, but we could say she's a terrific cook.
Terrific cook.
And I think what my mom is really good at is I'm going to say she's a terrific joke teller. So I'm going to write terrific joke. Now I'm going to find the word tell. And then I can add the ER onto it.
Teller. Terrific joke teller.
Terrific joke teller. All right. So I have M makes me smile. Oh, how I love her cooking. T, terrific joke teller. And H. So our H phrase is her blank is so pretty. So what would you say about mom that's so pretty? I'm going to fill in my sentence and then we'll think about some examples. All right. So I put the blank here for your sake, but you don't have to put a blank on yours. So let's see. We could say her singing is so pretty, right? Let's clear that out.
Her singing is so pretty. Her singing is so pretty.
Her singing is so pretty. Or maybe you want to say her eyes are so pretty.
Her eyes are so pretty. Her eyes are so
Let's
pretty.
think of one more thing. Or you might say, something that she has, like her flowers are so pretty, right?
Her flowers are so pretty. Her flowers are so pretty.
I think for my mom, I'm going to say her eyes. No, because I already wrote it. So I'm going to say her singing. Okay, next is E. Okay, so E is going to be for everything. And this is a little bit more open-ended. So let me write everything. We might want to say everything she does or everything she makes. We could say everything she does is awesome, right? So let's start with everything.
Everything. she does is awesome. Everything she does is awesome.
Everything she does is awesome, or everything she cooks is yummy, right?
Everything she cooks is yum.
So I have yum. I'm going to go ahead and just add an my to that.
Why? Everything she cooks is yummy.
Everything she cooks is yummy. I think I like everything she does is awesome. All right, everything she does is awesome. And then our last letter is R for really. So you could say really love her, right? So really is with our money.
Really
Really
love
her.
her.
Could say really like her.
Really like her. Really like her.
Or, I really thank her, right? Because you're thankful for her. So you could say really. Actually, we might have thankful on there. We do. We have really thankful for
her. Really thankful for her.
So really love her, really like her. I think I'm going to write really thankful for her. All right. So here is our acrostic poem. We have our letters M-O-T-H-E-R, and every letter has a saying about mom. I have a little bit of space on the top and the bottom, so I'm going to decorate my card with some stickers. So I have some hearts here, because moms love hearts, right? I have some sticker hearts, and then I have some little shiny, jelly rhinestone hearts. I think I'm going to pick the rhinestone hearts for this card. Let's see. Okay, I've got my pink heart gemstones. I think I'm going to put one up top, right in the middle. And maybe, so I put one on.
Put one on top. Put one on top.
One on top. And I think I put 3. 1, 2, 3 down on the bottom.
Put 3 on the bottom. Put 3 on the bottom.
3 on the bottom. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's how I'm decorating the outside of my card. The inside is empty or blank, and so we get to write in there too. I'm not sure what I'm going to write. I think I'll write, Dear Mom, have a happy Mother's Day. So I'm going to write have a happy Mother's. Now I have mother, so I'm going to hit my stop sign and find the apostrophe S. Mothers, and then I can say day.
Have a happy Mother's Day.
Have a happy Mother's Day. And then I think I'm going to write I love you, because we can never tell our moms enough that we love them, right? So I love you.
I love you.
I'm going to leave a little space, and I'll show you why. And then I'll write my name. So, Dear Mom, have a happy Mother's Day. I love you, Debbie. And I left a little bit of space here because I have some heart stickers, and I think I'm going to throw one on. do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
I hope you have fun making a card, and if you think of it, take a picture of it and email it to me. I would love to see your cards. I will make sure that my email address is under the video. Thanks. Have a great day.